Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Ganesh, and today we're diving into something really fun, a text-based adventure game written in Python. Whether you're just starting out with Python or brushing up your skills, this project is a great way to explore conditionals, loops, and dictionaries, while building a mini-game you can actually play. So grab your keyboard, and let's get started. Are you ready? Follow my steps. First things first, this is a simple command line game where you move between rooms, pick up items, and ultimately try to find the treasure. Let's take a look at how the game is structured. We start by defining a dictionary called rooms. Each room has a description, possible exits, and an optional item that the player can pick up. This data-driven approach makes it really easy to expand the game later. You just add more rooms. We set the starting room as entrance and initialize an empty inventory list. The show instructions function prints out a basic guide to the game commands, like how to move, pick up items, or check your inventory. The show status function gives players real-time feedback about where they are, what's in the room, and what they're carrying. Now here's where the magic happens. The game loop function runs the game until the player either quits or finds the treasure. We let user to take decision here. If no command is given, we print a message saying, no command is entered. We retrieve first word as action from command. Oh no, first we need to call game loop function. Here, go is an action. This checks if the user typed go, which means they want to move in a direction. If the user just typed go without a direction, we show a message and skip to the next loop iteration. Direction stores the second word from the input. Then it checks if this direction exists in the exits of the current room. If valid, it updates current room to the new room name. If the direction isn't valid for that room, the player gets this message. You can't go that way. If user type get, this means the user wants to pick up an item. If they just type get with no item name, we prompt them for clarification. It gets the item name from input. Capitalize, ensures case consistency. Room item gets the item in the current room. It checks if the item exists in the room, if the name matches, and it hasn't been picked up yet. If all true, it adds the item to the inventory. If checks fail, tells the player the item isn't in this room. This command lets the player see what they've collected so far. If inventory isn't empty, it prints all items separated by commas. If player has no items yet, shows a message accordingly. If user type quit, then, we terminate the program. If the command isn't one of the recognized actions, it tells the player it's invalid. If player get treasure through his way, then, he wins the game. Let's print congratulation message. Now, it's time to play an adventure game that we made. Go south. But, there is no south way in our game at entrance. If we go in north, we will reach in a dark hallway. Here, we may need light in dark. So, we pick a torchlight. Let's go east side. What is there? Catch this item, which is sword. Get back from there. It's time to get treasure and be rich. Get the treasure. Finally, I won the game. And that's it, you've just built a fully functional text-based adventure game in Python. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python tutorials. Got ideas for new features, or want to see more projects like this one? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!